First, we have a head pipe. After comes the front oxygen sensor with catalytic converter and the rear oxygen sensor. Now we have the resonance chamber. After we see the rear exhaust pipe. It goes to the two mufflers. And last we have 4 tailpipes made of chrome. The head pipe attaches to the cylinder head and takes each cylinder's exhaust and combines it into one pipe. The head pipe can be made of steel or aluminium. All modern fuel-injected cars utilize an oxygen sensor to measure how much oxygen is present in the exhaust. From this, the computer can add or subtract fuel to obtain the correct mixture for maximum fuel economy. The oxygen sensor is mounted in the head pipe or closed into the exhaust pipe. This part converts harmful carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon to water vapor and carbon dioxide. Some converts also reduce harmful nitrogen oxide. The converter is mounted between the head pipe and the muffler. Between all of the above mentioned parts is the exhaust pipe, which carries the gas through its journey out your tailpipe. Exhaust tubing is usually made of steel or aluminized steel tubing. The muffler serves to quiet the exhaust down to acceptable levels. Remember that the combustion process is a series of explosions that create a lot of noise. Most mufflers use baffles to bounce the exhaust around, dissipating the energy and quieting the noise. Some also use fiberglass packing, which absorbs the sound energy as the gases flow through.